That is fucking cool. Because these things are afraid of everything, you know that?
Is that wild or what?
That is cool, brother.
This one is so feisty.
That is fucking fun.
Look, and you're shaking his hand too. Oh my god, and he's letting you.
Hi.
Oh my.
You like me, I get it. But give him something to eat.
Well, no, they don't give me time. Sometimes I only have like 4 nuts and there's like 7 birds.
That is awesome.
Yeah, you too.
And he knows you got a good heart too, so.
Sometimes I have to turn away from you.
Just to get him.
Feed the squirrels too.
Is it always the same one? Do you know?
Yeah, that one is.
Yeah, he's pretty feisty, eh?
Oh, no, because he knows where the food is now, right? But once they get a taste, see? Same one.
Yeah.
Came right back. He realizes where the food is.
Wow. That is just too cool.
Okay, man. Like, really? Let me take it
That
out of
is
the
just
shelf.
too
Let me take
cool.
it out of the bag. You're not even letting
That
me
is
do that.
too cool. Check it out. That guy is just so feisty. Look at, I mean, he's back. He's back. He
This
loves
is where the
you.
food is.
He loves you.
All right,
That's so
relax
cool.
there, Sparky. There's 10,000 birds.
Is that the same one?
It's the same one over and over. There he's back again. He's got a unique tail
Look at this.
too.
I haven't even taken it out of the shell yet. Okay, let me open it for you so you can eat it. Here, dig. Go ahead. Go ahead. That's where the food is. All right. Okay. Yeah. It's not even out of the shell. Relax there, Sparky. Here, eat it. There you go. Really?
Oh my god. And he lets you talk to him too. He's not scared of him. That one's coming on with you.
Yeah, but I do this in like 20 parks. Here's a squirrel. Watch this. I'll get him to take it right out of my hand.
This one is not. Oh my goodness, look at this.
We've got a few feisty squirrels around here. Some of them will even go after you or your dog.
Come on, buddy.
I can't scare him.
A little scared. Okay, I'll throw you one and then you have to come back. Now you have to come back. Here comes one now.
Oh, here. Is this guy more feisty? Oh, no way. Squirrel's not getting my stuff.
Oh, he found a different one. I must have dropped one.
That's so cool.